I'll be showing you the quickest way to put some layers into hair like this. So quite long hair, I'm just going to split the hair into sections, and we're going to be using elevation and over direction. So that is elevation, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take that hair right over the other side, which is the length is going to be traveling the furthest, which is going to be the longest, and the hair which is on the part is going to be traveling over there, which is going to be the shortest. So when I cut in a line through here and then we bring it back, this is going to be the longest, and then you're going to have these really beautiful layers that are going to be working through the hair. Like I said, the quickest and easiest and simplest way to be putting layers into hair. What we want to be doing is we want to be sectioning off quite a big chunk of the hair, because we want this back section to travel over the front of the head. So you can see here there's a section through there, and where it's coming in, it's coming right into the corner of that back hairline. So do the same on the other side. So I'm going to find that point, come through here, and it comes right back into the corner of that hairline. Now this is techniques that we use in salon, over direction, elevation, and I wanted to work some color placement into where the layers were going to fall, and they didn't really have any layers. You could do this. So what we're going to do with this hair is I'm going to stand around the back, and I'm just going to bring it all up, over direct it to the front. I'm going to be cutting that off. That's going to create layers through the back. The sides are going to be coming up and then over, and then we're going to cut one here, and when they fall back, we're going to have beautiful layers in this hair. So first off, just detangling, and if you can't do it with a comb, you can get a brush in here. It's giving us the ability to be able to control this hair. So tangle free, all of that hair is being elevated up. I'm going to keep it all together and then bringing forward, so you can see this hair here is coming right up. Forward slightly. So to keep this hair together, I'm just going to keep the fine teeth of my comb on the hair, get her straightened up, and we should be able to see where our length is, because our length is going to be the layer, or the length of the hair is going to be coming from here all the way through there. So I can see my length is there, and then there is the rest of the hair. So again, just getting that comb in, bringing straight over top of the head. So I'm actually going to use that as my guide, because then I know I'm not going to be taking any length off. There's that length there, and I'm just going to point cut straight across there. See the layers there. So let's just comb that through, and there's the shortness of the layers that are working through there, maintaining that length. But there you can see there's the layers, and they blend seamlessly through to the length. Now let's start on the other side. Right, so we're going to take this side out, and again as a guide we're going to use the length, because I know the length of this mannequin is a good length, and it all balances because I've put a one length haircut in this mannequin previous. So we're going to detangle, we're going to elevate, get the small teeth of the comb in there, making sure the mannequin is straight, pulling straight over, and see the length there. It's a little bit that's fallen out. If pieces fall out, more often than not, it's because they don't reach. So you're not going to affect those anyway. But I'm going to come over, find that length, which is just there, which is coming all the way over there, bring my fingers to it, and you can see I'm keeping that section very square and horizontal. It just means I can keep control of it on both sides, because we're over directing it, and then just going to soften off into there. I know I haven't affected the length. You see the layers fall through there. Layers, layers, layers into length. Let's spin her this way. Exactly the same on this side. But how easy is this layering technique? This is just a training tool to help you understand that what over direction and elevation can create. Softness, length, maintaining length. Again, control, comb, pulling over until I find that length just there, keeping that nice and square, and then just point cutting. You could blunt cut. The reason I'm point cutting, again, I want to create softness in this haircut. I am still just flat and horizontal, and just soften a little bit more. I've kept all of that gorgeous length, put really nice, soft, melting layers into the hair in 3 sections. Now what I would do, I would then start to colour the client, knowing that I've got some layering in there, and then when it comes to finishing, once the hair had been washed and shampooed and rinsed the colour, I could then work through in my sections, knowing that I'm not going to be taking too much off. But you can see there, layer all through there, and we can work in a bit more softness if we want to. We could put in a bit stronger lines if we want to. But that is just a way to show you how to layer hair super simply. How can I do it really quickly so we're putting the colour where we want? And one of the things for it with layers in hair and colouring, if it was one length and you did your, say, traditional highlighting, or you did your traditional balayage technique or anything like that, you'd be colouring. And the reason for putting in layers first, if the client wants them, is so you don't get disconnection. This bit could be really blonde work through there. So when it sits there, because we've got that length and that, there'd have been a disconnection of colour. And that's the reason for doing this. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if it's helped you to understand a little bit more about how to put layers into hair really quickly to speed up your day. I'd love to know. If you're new, subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below about anything you want. And I can guarantee you're going to love this video. So check it out and I'll see you on the next video.